why, and I'm assuming this looks better on your notes than it does on the board. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, that's right. All I need to do is change the direction of the text and it works. Hold on. If I can do it with one click. No, that won't work. There we go. Okay, so that's why if we think about ideology on 2 dimensions, instead, what we have here is we're going to categorize people, and instead of assuming that people are like either all conservative or all liberal, over here we have economic policy. Up here we have social policy, and then liberal, conservative, and liberal, and conservative and liberal. So who's in this box? Liberals. Liberals. So liberals would be in the upper left-hand box on this thing. Who's in this box over here? Conservatives are here because they're conservative on economic and social policy. Then over here we have people that are conservative on economic policy, liberal on social policy. There are libertarians, which by default are conservatarians, are up there. Thinking about it like that makes a little more sense because now we can we don't have to stick the libertarians and the conservatarians in the same group. So it makes a little bit more sense. Now, what I will tell you is that what's going to happen is over the course of the semester, I'm going to go back to the single dimension. We'll be talking about ideology on a single dimension. So one of the things I want to do is let you guys know as I go into, as later on when we talk about ideology on a single dimension, you guys will know, yeah, you know, Phil, you can use that whole single dimension thing, but there's some problems there, right? And so I want you guys to be aware that there is a problem when we talk about ideology on a single dimension. Okay? Are there any questions about that? Go ahead.
On a normal, like, political or ideology thing, isn't it the opposite with the, just out of curiosity, like when you take the libertarians and the conservatarians, there's, like when you take one of those tests or like the general, like the square where it's like conservatives and liberals and all that stuff, like the one in the book kind of?
I don't know. Well, how does the book have it?
It has the libertarians in the upper right and the conservatarians in the lower
Is
left.
economic policy? Is economic policy on the top?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
So they have economic policy up there. So does that change it?
No, it's not really a big thing.
Yeah. This is just how I do it. I told you the book sucks. But actually,
it's just the one I remember seeing before.
Yeah, so I would say you can just stick with this basic idea, but everybody should be in the same categories. Okay, are there any questions about that? Cool, then we actually get to go on to lecture 2. Hell yeah, there we go. A little bit of sarcasm over there, that's fine.